Butternut squash pumpkin bread. Prep time 10 minutes. Cook time 60 minutes. Yield 1 loaf bread. Description: move over pumpkin, there is a new loaf in town. Butternut squash pumpkin bread is moist and flavorful, and brings the pumpkin spice season to your home. Ingredients: 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1/2 tablespoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 2 teaspoon pumpkin spice blend, 2 eggs, 1 cup sugar, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1/2 cup vegetable oil, 2/3 cup buttermilk, 1 cup butternut squash puree or pumpkin puree. Icing: 1 cup icing sugar, 1 to 2 tablespoons of your favorite syrup or freshly squeezed orange or lemon juice. Pumpkin spice blend. Instructions: preheat oven to 350 F. In a medium bowl, sift the flour, baking powder, baking soda, salt and pumpkin spice together. In a large bowl, whisk the eggs and slowly add sugar until the mixture turns a light yellow color. Add vanilla extract, oil, buttermilk and butternut squash or pumpkin puree and mix thoroughly. Slowly add the dry ingredients while continuously mixing the batter. Grease and flour a loaf pan. Pour the batter in the pan and bake for 60 to 70 minutes. Check if it is ready by sticking a toothpick in the center of the loaf bread and then withdrawing it. The toothpick must come out clean. Cool down the loaf bread completely. Icing: mix the icing sugar with syrup or juice. I prefer to use maple syrup or orange juice. If you add juice, add it slowly and mix well until you get the consistency that you like. Cover the loaf bread with icing and sift some icing sugar with pumpkin spice blend for decoration.